Hey guys, this is my last vlogger mail of the month. And it's actually really good for the New Year's because it's about collagen. So here's my unboxing. Comes in this bubble wrap, and if you guys are a true bubble wrap fan, I will definitely pop all these little bubbles after this video. This liquid collagen formula set is from Heivy. Heivy. I'm pretty sure you know what collagen is, and I really wanted to focus on taking this other than using it in my biotin. I heard the liquid form is better for you because it's a higher dosage. This contains 10,000 milligrams of marine collagen. It has jasmine extract. It also has coenzyme Q10. So it comes 1, 9, and 10. Now the directions indicate to use 1 per day. Take 1 for a week, and I'll come back with you for the results, proving to you that I am telling the truth. I will show you the date on my phone. It kind of tastes like vitamin juice. A fruity vitamin juice. Not bad. I thought it was gonna really taste like caca, but it doesn't. Hey guys, it's the second day I'm taking the collagen liquid formula from Heivy. Today is the 30th. Can't believe we're about to start a new year. It's the second day. I am currently doing laundry in my apartment, so sorry for the background noises. It does say to keep it in a cool, dry place, avoiding direct sunlight exposure. So I just kept it in my fridge. I think that's the best place to keep it cool and dry. Still tastes good. I think it tastes better cooler actually. So one thing I did want to point out yesterday, I did feel a little nauseous afterwards. It didn't last too long. I wanted to say about 20 minutes after, and I did eat rice and a little bit of chicken, and I felt okay afterwards. So I'm not sure, is it because I needed to eat a little something heavier before. So today I decided to eat Mexican, so I do have a little food in my belly. Won't be so nauseous after. Hey guys, so this is the third day of me taking the liquid collagen. And remember when I told you guys on the first day I felt nauseous, or after yesterday, I did not feel nauseous, but I did get a little lightheaded, kind of slightly after the recording. But then everything went back to normal shortly after. The third day, this is New Year's Eve. I mean, this is my last version shot of the year. Everything after this is gonna be alcohol. So, thank you guys for another successful year of vlogging, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. We're on day 4, and as you can see, I partied a little too hard on New Year's. It's like 6 in the morning. To prove again that today is the 4th day, because I don't even think I showed you the day yesterday. Today is officially the 1st. Whoop whoop. Happy New Year's, and I really hope you guys accomplish all the goals you have. And here is mine, continuing goal, collagen shot. So here's to day number 4. This time I actually took it all in one shot. And I'll let you guys know if I still feel okay afterwards. Hopefully not the nauseous, not the lightheadedness. And I felt the same as yesterday. I'll tune in to you guys tomorrow. Good night, guys. Hey guys, it's day number 5, and I felt fine right after I took the shot. So maybe, personally, I think it takes a couple days to get used to it. And, you know, it's a different experience for everyone, but I'm just speaking on my own personal experience. So today is the 2nd. Hey guys, different scenery since I'm running late to work. This is day 6, I believe. It's hard to keep track now. A little shot before work. Heavy collagen shot. And just to let you guys know, remember I was sick when I first started taking this collagen shot journey, and I told you I feel better now when I take it, and continuing to this day, I still do. I don't have any side effects anymore.
Ready?
Hey guys, it's the next day. Sorry. Terrible lighting. I'm actually in my girlfriend's house in Connecticut. So to recap, the whole reason why I started this journey of taking collagen in a liquid form, I'm turning 30 this year, so I think I should take better care of paying attention to my fine lines and wrinkles, the elasticity of my skin, and collagen does just that. Much easier to take it in a liquid form than to take it in a pill form because of the taste, but I feel like it's an easier reminder for me to take each day. Honestly, would use this product again and because of how easy it was, and I do believe the added collagen did make my skin more supple. I feel a little bit more energized taking it when I do take it. If you want to purchase this product, you can check the Amazon link in the description box below. For more info, go to sheismarvels.net. Until next time, bye chica.